Hello and welcome to Sandbanks, one of the most expensive places to live in the UK. You join me as we go along Shore Road, just off of the headland, just going onto the headland of Sandbanks. As we have a look around, you can see that it's known for its water sports, and there's some outlets that we can see already. They are closed at the moment, but it is a January day. You wouldn't believe it by the sun, but it is actually January at the time of filming this video. And there's this really big hotel here, Sandbanks Hotel, which looks absolutely lovely. Maybe it's having a refurbishment or something, because it looks pretty closed up at the moment, but glorious view from the hotel. If you're wondering how much it is to park here, up to 1 hour £2.90, 14 hours £22.70. Now, I'm not entirely sure on my facts, but I do believe that Poole Harbour, which is what we've got here, we've got Brownsea Island and then the harbour here. Now, I think that Poole Harbour is, if not the biggest, it's one of the biggest natural harbours in the whole of the world, and that's just right here. Honestly, for a January day, I might be in an insulated jacket, but it is such beautiful weather here, and you can see how shallow and how clear the water is as well. You can see there, so clear, all the sand underneath there. Still just on Shore Road at the moment, not quite on Millionaire's Row yet, but you can already see. Look at some of these houses, or I don't know if must be apartments, that one surely. There's some fantastic looking properties along here. Just as you come onto the headland to Sandbanks itself, there's a few little cafes and shops and outlets as you enter the headland, and we've also got the Rick Stein seafood restaurant, famous chef, just coming up too. And yeah, I did have a quick look at the menu. Cod and chips there is £26 at the time of filming, but yes, I expect that there's some more hefty dishes on there, and it looks like they've got a nice terrace that overlooks the harbour as well there. I daren't look in the window of the estate agents that we just go by. I don't know if anyone else has had that experience, that you look in the window and you just see all the staff there looking out at you. So I didn't feel I could, but the average price, I believe, on Panorama Road, which we're at now, is I think about £5 million, just over £5 million, known as Millionaire's Row, with houses and private jetties that go straight out onto the harbour. It's quite difficult to see a lot from here. Quite a lot of the houses have high gates and things. Excuse me while I just say hello to a cat. So it's quite hard to see there. I wish I brought the drone with me, but the weather wasn't very good, so I couldn't really bring the drone out. Just going down now towards the Sandbanks to Studland ferry. So over the harbour there, you've got Studland. There's a gorgeous beach there. There's also a naturist beach, if that's your thing, and over down to Swanage and Corfe Castle on that ferry as well. Just coming away from the ferry and down Banks Road, and Just looking at this glimpse of this property. Wow, look at that. I wonder how much money that cost. Obviously having some work going on and the gates are open. Let's take a little sneak peek through the driveway. But yeah, some really nice properties around here. Here, but you can get a better view as I turn around in a minute of all these great properties. What a fantastic view they've got. Absolutely stunning. Just walking along the beach and taking a little look round. Again, look at all these properties and the back gardens and all the dunes that they just look straight out onto. And I tell you what, I say, other than it being a bit chilly, what an absolutely glorious day. You wouldn't believe that it was January still. Such a beautiful day, and so many people out and about enjoying the coastline, which is great to see. But yeah, some really stunning views right from your bedroom window here. Just coming up to some chalets here, and I'm not sure whether these are hired out short term or long term or how these work, but some nice chalets, and there's a little shower there, and just coming up actually I can smell it a little bit. I think this is one of these kind of beachside saunas that seem to be a popular thing, that are coming up to various different towns I've seen them in now. Yeah, looks quite nice, I suppose. If you are going for a dip, sea swimming is quite popular, so I suppose going out and having a nice little sauna session afterwards looks quite interesting. Saltwater sauna, this one's called, and yeah, I imagine that can get quite busy as well. Now it's amazing actually how narrow the headland is here. I've just taken this little alleyway down off with some sand dunes, and as you can see, before you know it, I can see the sea again. And we're back at Shore Road, so we're going to end our little journey around Sandbanks here. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I'm trying out some different formats really, so if you let me know what kind of videos you prefer, whether you want to hear me talking or whether you'd rather I just shut up, anything that you'd rather me focus on, or are you just like in the ASMR, prefer to walk and hear the sounds? Let me know. I'm really interested to hear your feedback and share some more beautiful places with you. So thanks for watching. If you haven't already, do like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.